So you clicked on this video for one of two reasons. Either you want to know how to make a Blood and Iron kind of game, or you just clicked on the video for no reason. Well, I'm just gonna start getting going. Just subscribe, please. Okay, so first, if you somehow didn't see the title or the thumbnail, I'm gonna be starting this video with making the home screen. If you've ever played Blood and Iron, you will know that Blood and Iron has a home screen before you even start the game. So I'm gonna create that first, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So first of all, I want to have a single kind of map. This is all I have so far, and I've made like this kind of tree so far. I'm just gonna group it all together. Group as a model, and I'm gonna rename this model to tree. And my goal is, since Blood and Iron has that like old vintage kind of look, I'm gonna try to recreate the same thing. I tried my best recreating a tree from that game, but I'm not really the best modeler, and I don't want to use Blender. So like, I'm just gonna cut to when I actually make it. Actually, I'm gonna make a time lapse so you guys can tell I just don't steal it from somebody. All right, now let's do this. Also, you can be using Moon Animator for the animations, right? I should probably mention what I'm doing. If you check Blood and Iron on their loading screen, it has that background of an image, and I'm making that image right now. All right. So this is gonna be my first thing. I can probably make it better than this, but like I don't want to spend too much time on it. So I'm gonna make it look better in post. So like, or not post. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now I'm gonna edit it in a photo editing software. Now I'm not Mr. B, so I don't have infinite money. So I'm gonna use this website called Photopea. What's the proportions of a Roblox game? Oh well, I'll figure that out later. This is a YouTube thumbnail for now. Alright, this is me from the future. Basically, what you're gonna do is go to the folder on the Explorer side called Starter GUI, and inside it, insert a screen GUI, and then inside the screen GUI, insert a image label. You can insert stuff by if you hover over it, you can click the plus button that shows up and add your image. I just added mine, home screen, bam. Oh wait, never mind, that looks pretty bad. Alright, where's my image label? Oh, okay, let's see, how can I make this look better? I'll just like do that. Okay, no, this still looks terrible. There. There. That looks great. Oh, I just realized I probably need to put, because like Blood and Iron has that their name right there. Okay, I need to go back to Photopea and design that. Okay. Alright, me from the future again. I forgot to show you guys how to make this, so I'll just show you guys how to make it now. Okay, now just go to the screen GUI, insert a text button, and this should pop up, and then just like scale it to all that stuff that you like want and stuff. And you can, I need to open the properties and like text, like battle. And I show you how to edit in this video. I just didn't show you how to make it show up. So okay, back to the video. Now now I actually know how to style this, okay? So first you're gonna want a UI corner. See, that makes it curvy. And I'm gonna go back and add a U. Never mind, me from the future again, because apparently I have no more footage from that. I don't know where the footage went, but I'm gonna show you guys how you make it. So basically, you just want to add a UI stroke, remove the UI corner. That was a bad idea. It didn't work out. So just go to the text button, add a UI stroke that basically adds this brown box to it. But it starts out white, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it brown. So just go to the properties tab of it. I text it. There's a color that you can change the color to whatever you want. I'm not gonna change it because I like the color right now, but there's all that. And so that'll be the color. And basically, when you add a UI stroke, it's gonna start out as contextual, and you want to change it to border. There, like that. And to make, because like the buttons is white, so to make it this color, let me show you guys how to make it that color. Go to text button, go here, and then background color number 3. Again, you can just click that. I'm not gonna change it because I like the color. Okay, and for the font, you're just gonna font, and I chose to change the battle text to be the font face Merryweather. And that's basically how I made the walks. There's a bunch of YouTube videos that go over what I just said in more detail. I know you can barely understand what I'm saying. Just do that. I also forgot that this part of my footage got deleted itself. So basically inside the text button, you want to add a local script. Just go and enter the script, and you want to enter this code. I'll put this code in a comment, because I don't know, because some of you guys are watching this on your phone, and just actually never mind, you can access the description on your phone. Whatever. I'm just gonna comment this code into the comments. Just copy paste this code into the local script right here under the text button, and then you'll find that when you start the game, after you activate that script and you click the button, the game starts. And now I haven't anchored those trees, and I'll fix that in a later video, but for now, that's how you make the home screen or main menu, whatever you want to call it.